Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. So look what I found in the freezer. I got some boneless, skinless chicken breast. So we need to use this up. Kosher salt. We're gonna go with ground black pepper, ground cumin, about yay much, granulated garlic. About a half a tablespoon each ingredient. Some paprika, give this nice red color. Ground ginger. This is gonna make it pop, no doubt. This is gonna give it some awesome flavor. Be careful when you add it, don't add too much. It's a half a teaspoon. If you noticed, I didn't season the other side, but this is where this comes in. Let everything get coated. I'm not really worried about the other side. I got some local honey. Let's go ahead and just squeeze some on in there. Classic yellow mustard. Just mix this around. That simple, guys. You see, that's why I wasn't too worried about the seasonings. Seasoning the other side, because all this is gonna mix anyways. Look at this. Is that beautiful or what? Look at that color. All right, here's our next step. We're gonna wrap the chicken with thin cut bacon, just like so. You can use thick cut. I happen to have thin cut in the freezer. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator. Few hours, we'll come back and we'll start grilling. See you back in a few. Let's see here. We'll go right there. And at this point, you really don't want to disturb them. Let that bacon get crispy. Just gorgeous. Look at that bacon starting to render. All right, guys, time to flip. It's been here maybe 10 minutes. Check it out. Isn't that beautiful? And when I flip, trying to be very careful with that bacon. I'm gonna lean it on this side. You can use toothpicks to hold your bacon down. And I got some sausage in the background, super spicy. My family likes it, so. And I didn't make them. Look at that. Is that gorgeous or what? These guys are coming along real nice, guys. It's been about 15 minutes. Just turn them one time. That's where I want to spritz the honey mustard pineapple. Get those flavors. I want the flavor of the mustard and the honey, because most of it burns off with the heat. So I got this in the mail. And I put it up against my MEATER Plus. And damn, it held up to the MEATER Plus. So you'll see many more future cooks. So we'll test it out on the chicken as well. 126. Yep, no crispy bacon here. It's almost there, guys. Not what I planned, guys. Not what I planned. All that bacon's coming off. What a fail. All right, we'll go inside and test it. I'll let you guys know. And what a disappointment, guys. This looks like, you know what? No. I had a whole different picture for this. Man, the bacon fell off and I don't know. I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna release this video or not. I really don't know, guys. Maybe we can choose a piece that looks real nice. Real pretty. This one looks all right. The rest, jacked up, man, jacked up. Go down the middle. And it did rest for like 10 minutes. Let's see, is it juicy? Yeah, it's juicy. Can you guys catch that? No, heck no. That camera's not gonna pick that up. It's juicy. Hopefully you guys can catch it. Yeah, you know what? I don't care if it's ugly. You know, I envision something else. But this is freaking delicious, guys. This is a recipe that you guys gotta make. You guys just have to. I just can't believe how juicy it is. That bacon, that freaking bacon's good. Let me just say this, guys. I'm embarrassed to even put this on YouTube, man. I'm very embarrassed, but I'm gonna put it out anyways because the flavors are freaking amazing. Cheers. Freaking money. It's delicious, guys. Freaking delicious, man. Too bad it looks like dirt. Let me tell you what I taste. I taste that ginger, and we just put a little bit. I taste the honey and the mustard. It comes through really nice. I'm so glad I made that little spray, because if I didn't spray it, I know I would have lost those flavors, that mustard and the honey. I know for a fact I would have lost it, because I made this recipe before in the past. And 9 times out of 10, I lose the flavor of the mustard. So I'm glad I made that little spritz, you know. It came out good. You know what? I know it doesn't look the prettiest. I don't even know how I'm gonna create a thumbnail for this because it's the ugliest chicken I've made. But you know what? It's delicious, you know? It's delicious. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's super bomb. I envisioned something else. I envisioned the chicken breast wrapped with bacon, nice and crispy, beautiful color, the sheen from the honey. I envisioned all this for that cook to come out nice, you know what I mean? And the opposite, man, opposite. Everything fell apart. The bacon, I mean, I think if I would have smoked it, it would have came out much better. But oh well, it is what it is, you know. You guys judge me how you guys please. It's all good. No feelings hurt here on my side. It was a good recipe. That's all I can say. At the end of the day, you know, it's good eats. So thank you guys. Hey, can you guys see me? I'm freaking getting red, man, because I know I'm gonna release this video. It's all good, man. I work too damn hard not to release it. And there's a lot of times that I do a lot of cooks, and if I think they're not up to my standard, I'm not gonna release them. So, and I got many of those in my library, you know. I'll see you guys next Friday, and you guys have a good weekend and laters.